They took it to 10.
I can barely open my eyes with this sun. What to do? Hello guys, what's up? My name is Julie and welcome to Anastasia channel. Today I want to make a quick eye makeup tutorial for you. Yeah, don't mind my hair, I'm letting them air dry. So let's get started. For eyes, I'm using Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, and I can say I already prepped my eyes. So I put 8 in above my crease, yeah, as you can see everywhere. And as a prep, I'm using just a concealer, just Tarte Shape Tape concealer and a little bit of loose powder. So yeah, apply, blend well. Next, I'm using Shadow Blazing in a flat brush. So you just pack on your lid pretty well to see a good payoff. If your eyeshadow doesn't give you a good payoff, you can water your brush with setting spray or maybe a little bit of water, so it will pack better and give you more color, better payoff. Yeah, so this is pretty much it, just trying to cover up the lid with all of this color. And don't worry about the edges, we will blend them well lately. After we packed an eyeshadow with the flat brush, we're using blending brush and the same shade Blaze, and I'm just blending the crease with the fluffy brush so it will be not so rough. Make sure you're blending it well. I know it's kind of boring to blend, but you need it, sis. After taking a little bit of amber, and we go to the outer corner. First of all, pack a little bit in the outer corner and start blending to the crease of the eye. And it's pretty intense eyeshadow, so if your eyeshadow have a lot of fallout, you can do your your face later, so it will be easy to get rid of fallouts. I'm also using it under my eye. Yeah, just blend it 100 times to be sure that everything is smooth and blended. For the liner, I'm using Kat Von D tattoo liner and just apply a thin line, so it will help me to color the lash band of my false lashes. Of course, I will put them, it will make my eyes pop, make a little bit more dramatic. And as you can see here, I will make a mistake. I will make the line too long, and after on the video I saw this and looks kinda ugly, but don't judge me, I'm not professional, so it's okay. Next, I'm using a mascara. I'm using L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Red Carpet Mascara, and with the white part I'm applying first on my upper lashes, and after I cover with the black, so it will make lashes separated more. But this mascara is kind of old and dry, so whatever, I'm using false lashes anyway. Okay, as lashes I'm using Ardell Studio Effect Wispies, and also the glue from Ardell and tweezers. For me, it's the way easier to apply lashes with tweezers. As you can see, I got long nails. So yeah, put some glue on the lash, wait a little bit when it glue become tacky, and put on your lashes. First step, put in the middle, and after in the corners, make it sit and pop. So it will stay with my natural lashes. Actually, it's a struggle to apply lashes. I think all girls know about it, but they make the look pop for sure. After I like a little bit to hold my lashes by fingers, make sure like my eyes open, and I put the same mascara on my lower lashes again. First of all white one and after the black one. I'm using foil highlighter Anastasia Glow Kit, and the lightest shade I put in the inner corner of my eye, so it makes the eye more fresh, and under the brow bone to highlight my brows. Yeah, this is the final look. I know the lighting is not so good. Also, one thing I forgot while filming this video, and I just saw lately on my camera, like after you put your eyelashes, you better do one more thin line of liner to cover up the glue or whatever, because usually after putting lashes it's a little bit messed up. So yeah, it will make your eye look more accurate and nice. Guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. I think it's very summertime, hot, bright, nice, maybe like girls' night out, but very simple, very easy. So if you like this video, give it big thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, for your attention, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sorry, don't call me. I don't care that you are drunk. I know it's like a game to you, one you just can't lose. Oh girl, go